there's no doubt that the companies with whom we have associated in healthcare historically in the past, the companies that we consider to be healthcare companies, will be an expanded portfolio of companies. And there is no doubt that the tech giants are going to be impactful on healthcare as we move forward and have a lot to offer. They have substantial contact with the population and a global reach. And through that reach, there is a tantalizing opportunity for the tech giants to engage fully in healthcare. There is some reluctance on the part of these giants to consider having any of their products having medical device certification. And this, at the moment, is putting a bit of a brake on the extent to which they can be incorporated in conventional care as we know it. But there are some use cases. We are doing some work in cardiac rehabilitation, a remotely managed cardiac rehabilitation program based on data from a wearable and frequent contact with patients, and having a source of data based on a wearable that can help guide and improve cardiac rehabilitation. And we're extending this to other rehabilitation programs, which tend to see a patient once a week, once every 2 weeks, and then send them home to do their rehab homework, which they may or may not do, and we never know. Well, now we have the engagement of a patient. They enjoy using their wearable. We have much better compliance and, frankly, much better rehabilitation, and we are in the process of showing that. So that is an example of the tech giants being able to enable better and more cost-effective care. And there are many such potential examples. But certainly there will be expansion of the companies involved in healthcare beyond those conventional names whom we all recognize in our specialist fields and have grown up with for decades.